personal development tips for growth and success. Ready to grow and succeed? Here are 10 personal development tips to help you thrive. 1. Set clear goals. Define specific, achievable goals to give your life direction and purpose. 2. Continuous learning. Never stop learning and expanding your knowledge, whether through books, courses, or experiences. 3. Time management. Master time management skills to increase productivity and make the most of your day. You got it? Let's go. 4. Self-care. Prioritize self-care to maintain your physical, mental, and emotional well-being, which is very important. 5. Positive mindset. As you know, cultivate a positive attitude, practice gratitude, and focus on solutions rather than problems. 6. Networking. Build meaningful relationships with others to learn from their experiences and expand your opportunities. This is very crucial. We need to learn from other people's experiences as well. 7. Effective communication. Enhance your communication skills to express yourself clearly and connect with others. 8. Adaptability. Embrace change and develop the ability to adapt to new situations and challenges. Here, let me mention that adapt is one of the tips of stress management. 9. Financial management. Learn to manage your finances, budget wisely, and save for the future. Here, when we say save, it doesn't mean you save your money only, but you invest it, meaning you secure it. 10. Consistent action. Take consistent, purposeful actions towards your goals and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Remember, personal development is a lifelong journey. You can't do everything at once. Just be patient and kind to yourself as you grow and evolve. And don't forget that you are not in competition with anyone, but with your time. Thanks for watching.